evening. My name is Jack Lagos. I live in Plano. The lady that just came up for me here on one of the key words I'm up here to speak on, the word is right. In the First Amendment, we have a right to petition our government. And there was a petition submitted to this city council. I also looked up the background of the attorney that came down here and spoke. And I looked at what one of his recent cases was, which is a petition case in the Equal Right Ordinance in Houston. He lost the case. And he lost it, just so that other councilmen can hear this, he lost the case because the grounds that he was arguing with was that the petition from the citizens overrides as long as it's been certified by the city secretary. In other words, the city secretary, by her duties, is required to go through the petition and validate the signatures and then turn that over to the city council. The city, now I see Paige Mins laughing like, ha ha ha, we know, what's going on here. But the thing is that then the city council, by right, as a ministerial action, has to take that particular petition. Either you can repeal the ordinance, you can put it on the ballot. Those are your choices as a ministerial duties. Her duty is to validate the signatures. Your duty is to deal with the petition as it presented to you. Now, when the lawyer, here's my other point, other than the right of petition to our government. The other point I have here, and people have already mentioned, I do not want to be using my tax dollars against myself. How clear can I be? You are stewards of our tax dollars. We pay the city manager, we pay the city attorney, and I agree with somebody that came up. Why do we have an attorney who lost a case on a petition coming from Houston? We're paying his fare. We're retaining him because you need to retain him because people are already here have a fund to fight this particular action. I don't understand it. Now, the mayor there is looking like he's having some bowel movement problems, but the thing is, he might not like what he's hearing, but that's the fact of the matter. There's only two sensible people up there. That's Mr. Harrison and Mr. Kelly. The rest of you just kind of following along. Now, the rest of you are kind of playing, well, let's see what the citizens are going to do. They've already done what they have. Now the next action is going to be legal, and they're going to be spending my money against myself. I don't understand about you people that can understand about how you run anything, let alone a government. And I do believe comfortably in making this response. When we give up here and give our thing in the agenda or 5 minutes, you're not to respond unless it was a factual item. I believe Paige Mims was out of order when she started to talk back. And I'll end with that.